Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Wanted to show you guys the equipment we're using in 2023 for our mowing season. People comment all the time, hey, what are you using now? So I just wanted to share with you guys. We're not really having any changes unless there's just something that comes out of left field, like an unexpected piece of equipment, like some kind of really awesome 30-inch push mower or riding mower or something like that. But we're basically just going to focus on using what we have this year and continuing to expand our business doing that. We're going to be using the Ego Stick Edger, same one we've been using for 6 years. The only reason we're still using the Ego Stick Edger is because we still have it and those things run forever, and because with our Crest equipment, we use the Crest Prosumer stuff, and they don't yet have a Prosumer stick edger. I believe they were working on getting like the kind of power head, like the combi type system going for that, which would include a stick edger, but they just don't have it out yet. So we're still using our Ego stick edger. We're going to be using Crest, as we have the last couple seasons, as our string trimmer, blower, and mower, backup mower actually, our 21. And our main mower is going to be the Ryobi, the little grandpa 30-inch riding mower that we started using last year. I'm going to go ahead and purchase one or two more of those as soon as I can find a good deal on them this winter. So I'm going to get a couple more of those and go ahead and swap the batteries to lithium. But that's pretty much our setup. We'll be running our Priuses. We'll be running a 4x6 trailer with a Ryobi on it, and we'll be running Ego Stick Edger and Crest handheld equipment. So that's basically our mowing setup. If you have any questions, please let me know. Unless something comes out of left field, that's what we're running with.